Culture Intro to World Religion Test. Write your name, date, and class period. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 1. The language, customs, and beliefs that a group of people share are part of its A. Economy, B. Culture, C. Government, D. Environment. Question number 2. The statements above show that different countries around the world have different. Let's look at what's inside the box. I will read bullet to bullet. Bullet 1. German children celebrate St. Nicholas Day on December 6th. Bullet 2. People in Thailand celebrate the New Year twice, once on January 1st and again during 3 days in April. Bullet 3. January 26th is Australia Day, when people celebrate the first European settlement in that nation. Bullet 4. People in Brazil and Peru celebrate Carnival each year. I will read the question again. The statements above show that different countries around the world have different. Is it A. Types of government, B. Educational systems, C. Holidays and celebrations, D. Economic systems? Question number 3. Which of the following best explains the behavior described above? If we look at the picture, the image shows the man on the left on the above picture is from the United States and had just arrived in Japan and met a Japanese businessman. When the two businessmen meet, they greet each other by bowing. Let's look at the question again. Which of the following best explains the behavior described above? Is it A. This is a regional system of exchanging briefcases? B. This is a cultural norm in Japan for greeting each other? C. This is an economic system of cooperation? Or D. This is a form of religion in business? Question number 4. What do you call the holy text of Judaism? Is it A. Torah, B. Bible, C. Quran, or D. Sutras? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 5. This religion celebrates Christmas, Easter, and the Holy Communion. Is it A. Judaism, B. Buddhism, C. Christianity, or D. Islam? Question number 6. What is the rebirth of a soul in a new body? Is it A. Karma, B. Reincarnation, C. Agnostics, D. Dharma? Question number 7. What is a push factor? Is it A. negative forced reason, B. a positive voluntary reason, C. job opportunities, or D. a fair government? Question number 8. When people move from other countries to live permanently in the United States, it is called A. immigration, B. industrialization, C. revolution, or D. naturalization? If you don't know what permanently means, please grab a dictionary. Question number 9. Which change is a direct result of the diffusion of popular American chain restaurants such as McDonald's throughout the world? Is it A, the cultural landscapes of certain areas have become increasingly similar? B, production of fresh produce, fruits, and vegetables has declined? C, the service industry of developing countries has begun to decline? D, religious dietary restrictions have been ignored. Question number 10. The belief in only one God is called A, polytheism, B, monotheism, C, Hinduism, D, Buddhism. Question number 11. What word means the movement of people from one place or region to another? Is it A, urbanization, B, population, C, migration, or D, destination? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 12. A family in Mexico wants to move to the USA because of the drug wars and violence in Mexico. What type of movement do we call this? Is it A, push factor, B, conflict factor, C, pull factor, or D, economic factor? Question number 13. A farmer in Mexico is moving to the U.S. to start his own business. What do we call this type of movement? Is it A, economic factor, B, pull factor, C, real factor, or D, push factor? For questions 14 through 17, you must match the symbol with the correct religion. If you look at the religions on the side, you'll be able to see, on the right hand side, you will see the symbols. Let's observe the signs. If you look at number 14, you will see the Star of David. If you look at B, you will see the crescent. If you look at C, you will see the crucifix. And if you look at D, you will see the orthodox, the Sanskrit word dharma. So if you look at your answer choices, for 14 you have Christianity, 15 Hinduism, 16 Islam, 17 Judaism. Your job is to match correctly the symbols to the correct answer choice. If you have any questions on how to do this, please see your teacher. You can list the letters on the line of each 14, 15, 16, and 17. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 18. According to the article in Junior Scholastic, Alone and Afraid, how can an immigrant or refugee seek asylum from the United States? If you don't know what asylum means, please get a dictionary. Is it A, they must be happy to be in the United States? B, they must prove that they face danger in their home countries based on their race, religion, nationality, social group, or political opinion? C, they must prove their citizenship? Or D, they must have a passport? Question number 19. What is the holy book of Christianity? Is it A, Torah, B, Bible, C, Quran, or D, Vedas? Question number 20. What is polytheism? Is it A, the belief in one God? Is it B, the belief in two gods? Is it C, the belief in many gods? Or D, the belief in no God? Question 21. According to the Scholastic article on the border crisis, from which of these countries are the immigrant children coming from? We are talking about the Junior Scholastic article, Alone and Afraid. Did they come from A, North Korea, India, and China? B, Africa, Colombia, and Peru? C, Brazil, Paraguay, and Venezuela? Or D, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador? Question number 22. What is a pull factor? Is it A, natural disasters, B, violence, C, job opportunities, or D, poverty? Remember, go back and check all of your answers. Take your time on this test. If you made any changes on your Scantron, please make sure you properly erased the answer that you changed. So when the Scantron is run through the computer, it will not pick up both answers. Good luck.